Hi, I'm Andrew Bloss with Blackrock Synthetics. I'm here with Andy Guntz, who owns this beautiful dune buggy. Andy, why don't you tell us a little bit about it?
This here is a Uline Explorer frame. It has a 2.4 EcoTech paired up with a 6-rib VW bus trans. Tunes are by B-Mills Tunes. I run all AMSOIL in it, the oil, the filters. Since I changed over to AMSOIL, I did notice major changes when I'm bouncing off rev limiter coming up the hills. She's holding together a lot better. I haven't had any problems yet.
Well, we certainly heard of that today, that's for sure. There'll be lots of videos getting posted about that. Thanks, Andy. We all had a lot of fun here today.
Thank you.
All here with the Beaten Trail. Thanks so much.